Have you ever wondered how to use shopping carts and online stores in e-commerce? Do you often wonder if a shopping cart or web store is good? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you have proper knowledge of hosted e-commerce applications? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about shopping carts and online stores. Now let's get into it. Setting up an internet shop can be very confusing and bewildering, especially if you are someone with very limited technical knowledge. With hordes and hordes of solutions available, offered by thousands upon thousands of website design companies and software developers, it is easy to choose a system that may not necessarily suit your business. Many companies have spent a lot of money on their e-commerce website solution, only to find that it does not work for their business. Unfortunately for them, this usually means a trip back to the drawing board, arguments with their developer, and inevitably the need to spend more money so that the site will work exactly the way they want to. So what can be done to make sure that the shopping cart solution you choose is the right one for your business? First of all, you must have a clear idea of what you want to achieve from the site. Spend some time to make good notes and write down a clear and concise plan and method of operation for your site. It will help very much if you take a good look at your competitors' websites, especially the successful ones. Visit your competitors' sites, browse through the various sections, and make notes about the structure of the pages, the site navigation, and anything else of interest. Ask yourself questions as you check through the site. Are you able to quickly find the items you are searching for? Is the checkout system simple to use? These are just some of the elements you should be looking at. Compile as much information as you can, take the best constituents and combine them with your own ideas to create a well-defined and structured plan of what you need. Once you have put together a well-thought-out site plan with all the required features, it will make up good a brief that can be worked on by a website designer. How you go about turning your site plan into an actual website will depend on the budget you have to spend. There are many options that can be explored, from shopping cart software that will enable you to build your online store yourself through ready-built, off-the-shelf solutions right up to completely bespoke programmed websites built from the ground up by a competent web development company. Whatever route you take, you should spend time researching the various systems and improving your knowledge so that you can make the right decision before committing yourself to spend lots of time or money on your project. Although you can spend a small fortune getting your online store up or running, you really don't have to. There are simple-to-use systems that use tried and tested technology to get you up and running in a short period of time. Many of these systems don't require you to have any technical knowledge either. To take credit card payments for goods online, you will have to make use of a web-based payment gateway. There are many to choose from, but all of the payment processing solutions make profits by charging you a percentage of the transaction fee, so you must make sure to take this into consideration when calculating your profit margins. Look for an e-commerce system that is readily configured to use the payment gateway you choose. This way, once you have opened your merchant account, all you need to start to take credit card payments through your website is enter your merchant account number into a web page form in your site admin. E-commerce solution, shopping cart or web store? If you're planning on opening your own online store, you should make sure that you learn all about e-commerce so that you can select the best online store builder for your business. One big decision you want to make early on is whether you want your online store to consist only of a shopping cart, or if you want your online store to be your entire site, with shopping cart functionalities available on every page. Let's look at the options. E-commerce option 1. Complete online store. Software that creates a complete online store for you, with completely integrated e-commerce capabilities, is arguably best for new websites since it will save you the trouble of buying separate content management software, and then integrating it with your current site. Here are some things you can do with a completely e-commerce enabled web store that you can't do with a traditional website that just has a CMS attached, shown in your shopping cart list of selected items to users who add something to a cart, then continue browsing your site. Studies have shown that shopping cart abandonment, in which users add something to the cart and then forget about it while browsing the site, is greatly reduced when users can see their shopping cart contents in the front of them at all times. Feature a different product on your homepage each day, rotating based on a dynamic selection from your shopping cart inventory. Automatically recommend a brand new product to users who are browsing a related page on your site without updating the code on that page. Remind returning visitors to your homepage of an item they added to a shopping cart on a previous visit but did not purchase. Manage your entire website's look and feel, including both the regular pages and the shopping cart pages, from a single interface, without having to copy changes in design from one to the other. Automatically remove a product featured on regular pages of your site when it is no longer in stock. Show an updated list of the latest additions to your inventory on the homepage or other non-shopping cart pages. Display a sign-up form for users to receive email announcements of new products, dynamically generated from your web store. E-commerce option 2, separate shopping cart. If you already have a website, transferring everything to a new web store system can be daunting. You may want to start your foray into e-commerce with a simple add-on shopping cart. But don't limit your possibilities for the future. You can still employ a full-featured web store now and simply use only its shopping cart functions. Simply set up the online store to show in a directory or subdomain of your existing domain, or host it offsite completely. Then link to the individual product pages on the web store from your existing site. Users never have to know the shopping cart is actually a full-featured site with its own homepage. They'll never see those pages, and in many web store software packages, you can simply disable those pages from ever being created. After all, on the web, you don't have to buy a bigger building to expand your store. Why limit your growth with less fully featured software? Choose e-commerce software that will grow with your business, and your store can grow as big as you can make it. Hosted e-commerce application. E-commerce applications, either hosted or traditional, should be chosen carefully in order to benefit your online business. The e-commerce application is a specially designed software program to help enhance your online business. These applications programs are available from your shopping cart to provide a checkout point where the customer may pay for your goods or services. Most of these applications can be found from various hosting companies which save you time and money by doing the hard work for you, such as getting the software to work in coordination with the specific needs of every customer. All you have to do is choose a well-reviewed company and use its services to your benefit. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about shopping carts and online stores. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases as always. Thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.